100 calories, half a pound of food, and I'll show you how to make it right now. Alright, so there's 3 ways that you can make it. So if you want a lava cake, you just keep it as is. You put it even pretty much everywhere. And just like so, you're good. If you want a chocolate cake, you kind of make a crater in the middle. Just like so. Alright, and if you want a donut, then you literally have to make a bigger crater. And I guess something like that. And that's your donut. $100 calories. 100 calories for this half a pound brownie. I mean, it's less calories than an apple. Even per gram, it's less calories than an apple. Okay? So, wizard, a glitch in the matrix. Alright, so let's try this right now. Just try to show you. Pretty cakey. Very moist. Alright, let's try it. Man, go try this right now. This is unbelievable. Alright, that was it for today. Hope this helps you attack your craving, get closer to your ideal goal. This is amazing. You can use this as a dessert. You can use this as a meal. You make 2 of them. You make 3. You make 4. You make 4 of those. It's 40 grams of protein, 400 calories, and it's gonna be 2 pounds of food. So can't go wrong with this. If you like chocolate, must try. So go enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video.